In this video, I will cover how to calculate percentage. Here this is formula to find out percentage. It is part divided by whole is equal to x divided by 100, where x is equal to percent. So we try to understand this formula by one example. Example, I have total 500 pens. I distributed to my friends out of 550 pens. Now I want to know how many percent pens I have distributed. Suppose it is x percentage, then we can use this formula. Here x is equal to percent. So we want to find out this one. Here whole number is 500. I had total 500 pens. Out of that I have distributed 50 pens. So this is the part. So this one is the 50, 50 is the part. So now we know this part means 50 pence, this whole number is 500, this 100 it is in the formula, and this x means the percent, which one we want to find out. So equation will be like this: 50 divided by 500 is equal to x divided by 100. So x is equal to 50 divided by 500 multiply with 100. We multiply in this equation on the both side with 100. So this 100 will cancel here with 500. So 5 only left. So 5 times 10 is equal to 50. So 5 times 10 is equal to 50. So answer is 10 only. So x is equal to 10%. So I distributed only 10% pens. So now easy to understand this formula. Example, 15 is what percent of 300? Here for in formula, this is the whole number 300 and this is the part 15. Now we use the formula. So part divided by whole is equal to x divided by 100. So part is 15 divided by 300 is equal to x divided by 100. Now we will multiply both sides with 100. So equation will be x is equal to 15 divided by 300 multiply with 100. This 100 will cancel here. So it will be 15 divided by 3. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So 5%. So answer is 5%. Next example, 100 is 50% of what number? So here we have x value means percent value in our formula. 100 is part and what number here? It means we want to find out whole number. Now we will use the formula. Part divided by whole is equal to x divided by 100. So now we will put the values. We know part is 100. We want to find out whole number, so we put here W. It indicates whole number. 50 is the percent here and 100 was in formula. So we cancel this 50 because 50 times 2 is 100. So 1 by 2. So here I put 1 by 2. So this W will go to the other side here and this 2 will be multiplied here with the 100. So formula will be W is equal to 2 times 100. So 2 times 100 is equal to 200. So answer is 200. So whole number, this one is equal to 200. Next example, what is 25% of 500? Here whole number is 500 and this is the x value in the formula percent. So here we want to find out part in the formula. So this is the formula. Part divided by whole is equal to x divided by 100. So we want to find out this part. Whole number is 500 and this x value is 25. So here p indicates part divided by 500 is equal to 25 by 100. Here we can see 25 times 4 is equal to 100. That means 1 divided by 4. So p divided by 500 is equal to 1 divided by 4. Now if we multiply both the side with 500, then p is equal to 500 divided by 4 is equal to 125. So this is the answer, 125. So 125 is 25% of 500. Now next example, George is planning to buy one cell phone that costs $200, but there is 13% tax on that. Calculate tax and total cost for cell phone. So we want to calculate tax. So tax in percentage. So this means part. In formula this 13% means x and this 200 means whole number. Now we can use our formula. Total cost for cell phone is equal to whole number means total value of cell phone plus tax. Tax means part. So formula part divided by whole is equal to x divided by 100. Now we want to find out part. whole number 200 and x value is 13. So is equal to p divided by 200 is equal to 13 divided by 100. Now we multiply both sides with 200. So p is equal to 13 divided by 100 multiply with 200. So this 100 will cancel. So 13 times 2 is equal to 26. So this is the tax $26. So we got one answer. Calculate tax here. It is $26. Now total cost for cell phone is equal to whole number is 200. This is 200 plus tax is 26. So here 200 plus 26 is equal to $226. It is total cost of cell phone. Hope this video helped you understand how to calculate percentage. Subscribe and like the video if you want more lessons.